Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our maths class. Children, today we are going to do question number 2. Use the abacus to find the difference. On page number 47, exercise 4b, let's do. So children, let's copy the exercise and the question number in our classwork copy and copy down part A. So children, we have copied down question number 2. Part A, 7299 minus 3158. We have to use the abacus to solve this exercise. So part A is 7299. So now take colored pencil, and with the help of color pencil we are going to solve this problem. Okay children? So we have colored pencils with us. So first on ones place 9 is there. So we will place 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we are going to place 9 beads. Now at tens place we are going to place 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay children? Now 2 is at the hundreds place. So for 100 place we are going to place 2 beads. So 1 and 2. Now 7 is at the thousand place. So we are going to place 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay children? Now second number, what we are going to subtract is 3158. We are going to subtract from this number. Okay children? So we will place 8 beads on the one strand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay children? 8 beads. Now at the tens place 5 is there. So we are going to place 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? Now at the 100 place 1 is there. So we are going to place 1 beads. So 1. Now at the 10,000 place there is 3. So we are going to place 1, 2 and 3 beads. Okay children? So now we are going to subtract. Here is 9 and here is 8. So how many beads are less? 1. So on one strand we are going to place 1 bead. Now at tens place, here is 9 and here is 5. So how many beads are less? 4. So we are going to place 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the hundreds place, here 2 beads are there, here 1 beads are there. So how many beads are less? 1. So we are going to put 1 bead. Now at the 1000 place 7 beads are there and here 3 beads are there. So how many beads are less? 4 beads. So we are going to put 4 beads over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay children? So the answer is at ones place 1 is there. So we will put 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will put 4, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4141. Okay children? So this is our answer. Now part B. What is part B? 6845 minus 2634. So we are going to place at the one strand 5. So we are going to place 5 beads on the one strand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now at the tens place what is there? 4 is there. So we are going to place 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now at the hundreds place 8 beats are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now at the 10,000 place there are 6 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 beats are there. Now what we are going to subtract? 2634. So 4 is at the ones place. So we are going to place 4 beats. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At tens place we are going to place 3 beats. So 1, 2 and 3. Now at the hundred place we are going to place 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now at the thousand place we are going to place 2 beats. So 1 and 2. Now 6845 minus 2634. So how many beats are less? Here 5 is there, here 4 is there. So how many beats are less? 1. So we are going to put 1 beat over here. Now at the tens place 4 is there and 3 is there. So how many beats are less? 1. So we are going to place 1 beat over here. Now at the hundred place 8 is there and 6 is there. So how many beats are less? 2. So we are going to place 2 beats. 1 and 2. Now at the thousand place 6 is there and 2 is there. So how many beats are less? 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, so answer is ones place 1, tens place 1, hundred place 2 and thousand place 4. So answer is 4211. Okay children, now part C. 8293 minus 7041. Now at the ones place 3 is there. So we will put 3 beats. 1, 2 and 3. Now at the tens place 9 is there. So we will place 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now at the hundred place 2 is there. So we will place 2 beats. 1 and 2. Now at the thousand place 8 is there. So we will place 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay children. Now what we are going to subtract? 7041. So at the ones place 1 is there. So we will place 1 beat. Now at the tens place 4 is there. So we will place 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the hundred place none of the beat is there, 0 is there, so we will leave it empty. And at the thousand place 7 is there, so we will place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beats. Now how many beats are less? On ones place 3 is there and 1 is there. So if we subtract 1, then 2 is remaining. So we will place 2 beats, 1 and 2. Okay. Now at the tens place 9 is there and 4 is there. So how many beats are less? If we subtract 4 from 9, then 5. So we will place 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children. Now at the hundred place 2 is there and 0 is there. So we will place 2 beats. Okay, if we minus 2 from 0, 0 from 2, then 2 will be there. Now at the thousand place 8 is there and 7 is there. So how many beats are there? 1. So we will place 1 beat. So our answer is 1200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 52. 1252 is our answer. Okay children, so we have done part A, we have done part B, we have done part C. Now the remaining part Part D, Part E, and Part F is for your homework. You have to do the homework in your homework copy and complete your homework as well as classwork. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a great day.